Are you having issues with the door on your GE dishwasher? Well, I'm Dustin, the Parts Doctor, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the door hinge roller. I'll also talk about the other components that can fail and cause your door to fall open. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The door hinge roller works with the door springs and pulley cables to balance the weight of the door, making it easy to close and open smoothly without slamming or dropping. Over time, the hinge rollers can wear out or break from regular use, causing the door to feel heavy, uneven, or lose its tension. If the door no longer opens or closes properly, replacing the hinge rollers could restore smooth, controlled movement. On this model, the door spring connects to the pulley cable, which loops around the door hinge roller mounted on the friction washer before attaching to the dishwasher's door hinge assembly. These components are the same on both sides and can be installed on either side of the dishwasher. If you need to purchase a replacement door hinge roller for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Tools needed for this repair: a 1/4-inch nut driver or socket. Please remember to disconnect the appliance from power and water before beginning. For this repair, the dishwasher will need to be pulled out from underneath the counter. Before attempting, make sure you understand how your dishwasher is connected to the power, the drain, and the water line. Every installation can be different, so check out our dishwasher removal video if you need any help or clarification with your removal. Not understanding this process can lead to potentially damaging your appliance or kitchen. With the dishwasher pulled out, locate the door hinge roller on each side of the dishwasher. Inspect each roller to see which one needs to be replaced. They may break or wear out and not allow the pulley cable to slide smoothly, which loads the door spring. As you can see on this hinge roller, pulley cable, and door spring that are in good working order, the pulley cable and spring have tension even when the door is closed. Once you've identified the roller in need of replacement, remove the pulley cable connector from the end of the spring and take out the 1/4-inch screw in the middle of the door hinge roller. This screw holds both the hinge roller and the friction washer to the appliance. You can now discard the damaged hinge roller. While the dishwasher is pulled out, it's a good time to inspect the door springs, both pulley cables, and the other hinge roller as well as the friction washers. Look for any signs of cracks, fraying, or excessive wear and replace any damaged parts as needed. These components are all sold separately, so be sure to order the correct replacements. If you need a replacement door hinge roller, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones that we sell at partsdoctor.com. We've included a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact part. To install the new door hinge roller, place the friction washer between the appliance and the hinge roller and insert and tighten the 1/4-inch screw. This fastener should be snug, but do not over-tighten. The fastener should not be so tight that the hinge roller cannot rotate. Run the pulley cable around the door hinge roller and hook the pulley cable to the end of the door spring. If you need, you can use pliers to pull the spring to reach the pulley cable. Check that there's proper tension on the spring and pulley cable. If you notice any slack, the spring or pulley cable may be stretched out or damaged and should be replaced. If everything looks good, hold the top of the dishwasher and slowly open the door to confirm that the cable moves smoothly around the hinge roller and the door operates properly. Reinstall your dishwasher and enjoy how smoothly the door opens and closes. And that's all for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin, the Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.